These are the exact AI tools I use every single day to run 2 YouTube channels, create content, and build a business, without a camera, without a team, and without spending more than about $75 a month. I'm going to walk you through my entire stack, tool by tool, and tell you honestly which ones are worth it and which ones you can skip. Before I show you the tools, let me explain why your tech stack matters so much. When you're building content or a business with AI, the difference between the right tool and the wrong tool isn't just convenience, it's hours of your life. I've tried dozens of AI tools over the past year. Most of them I dropped within a week. The ones I'm about to show you are the survivors, the tools that actually stuck, because they save me real time every single day. I've organized them into 4 categories: writing, video production, automation, and design. Let's start with the one I use most. The first category is writing and research. This is where I spend the most time and where artificial intelligence makes the biggest difference. Tool number 1, Claude. This is my primary AI assistant. I use Claude for scripting videos, brainstorming ideas, writing descriptions, planning strategy. Honestly, almost everything that involves thinking and writing. The reason I prefer it over ChatGPT for most tasks is the writing quality. Claude produces more natural, human-sounding text with less of that generic AI flavor. I'm on the Pro plan, which is $20 a month. For what I get out of it, that's probably my highest return on investment tool in the entire stack. Tool number 2, ChatGPT. I still use ChatGPT just for different things. It's better for quick factual questions, coding help, and anything that needs web browsing built in. I use the free version for most of this. You don't need Plus unless you're doing heavy work. Now here's the honest take. You don't need both. If you're choosing one, start with Claude for content creation or ChatGPT if you need more general purpose help. I use both because I'm producing a high volume of content across multiple channels, and each one has strengths the other doesn't. Tool number 3, Perplexity. Well, this is my research tool. Think of it as Google search, but it actually reads the articles for you and gives you a summarized answer with sources. I use the free version and it's more than enough. Category 2 is video production, and this is where the real magic happens for faceless channels. Tool number 1 in this category, ElevenLabs. This is what generates the voice you're hearing right now. ElevenLabs creates incredibly realistic AI voiceovers. You can even clone your own voice from a short recording, which is exactly what I did. I'm on the starter plan at $22 a month. The quality is genuinely impressive. Most listeners can't tell it's AI. One thing I did notice is that sometimes the pacing can seem off, so we are working on training my voice a little more each day. Stay tuned on that front. I use it for every Notion Forward video and for guided meditations on my other channel, Mind Buoy. If you're building any kind of faceless content, this is the single most important tool in your stack. I'll drop my affiliate link in the description. Tool number 2, Runway. This is how I generate the AI visuals you're seeing throughout this video. Instead of using generic stock footage, I write a text prompt describing exactly what I want, like glowing data network in dark space, and Runway generates a custom video clip in about 2 minutes. The standard plan is $12 a month. The output quality is genuinely cinematic. It won't replace a real film crew, but for YouTube content, it looks professional and unique. Nobody else has the same visuals because they're generated specifically for your video. Tool number 3, Descript. This is where I actually assemble everything. Descript is a video editor, but it works completely differently from traditional editors. Instead of dragging clips around on a timeline, you edit video by editing text. It transcribes your voiceover, and then you literally cut and rearrange the video by editing the transcript like editing a Word document. I'm on the creator plan at $16 a month. It also auto-generates captions, has built-in stock music, and handles export. If you hate traditional video editing, and I definitely did, Descript is the answer. As of this video, I'm also testing HeyGen, which is what's generating the avatar you're seeing right now. HeyGen takes a photo or a short video of you and creates an AI presenter that lip syncs to your voiceover. They also have other types of avatars you can use if that's the style you're going for. It's $29 a month, and if the quality holds up, it might replace my entire Runway, plus Descript workflow. I'll let you know in a future video whether it's worth it. So my full production workflow looks like this. I write the script with Claude, generate the voiceover with ElevenLabs, create custom visuals with Runway, and assemble everything in Descript. Start to finish, a complete video takes me about 3 to 4 hours. Now the next category is the one that saves me the most time, and honestly, it's the one most creators completely ignore. Category 3, automation. This is about connecting your tools together so work happens automatically. And the main tool here is Make, formerly called Integromat. Make connects different apps to each other using visual workflows. You build a scenario, basically a chain of actions, and it runs automatically in the background. Here are a few real automations I use. When I publish a new YouTube video, Make automatically creates a draft social media post with the title and link. When someone fills out my consulting contact form, Make sends me a notification and adds them to my CRM. When I need to process content across multiple platforms, Make handles the distribution. These aren't complex to build. Most take 5 to 10 minutes to set up, but collectively they save me several hours a week of manual busy work. Make has a generous free tier that handles basic automations. The paid plan starts at about $9 a month if you need more advanced workflows. I'd recommend starting free and upgrading only when you hit the limits. I'll drop my link in the description. An alternative worth mentioning is Zapier. Zapier is simpler to learn and great for straightforward automations. If you're non-technical, start with Zapier. If you enjoy building systems and want more power, go with Make. Category 4, design and YouTube research. For design, I use Canva Pro, $13 a month. I use it for thumbnails, social media graphics, channel art, and video title cards. The AI features in Canva are getting surprisingly good. Background removal, magic resize for different platforms, and text to image generation built right in. Could you use the free version? Yes, for basic stuff. But the pro features, especially background remover, brand kit, and the premium template library, are worth it if you're producing content regularly. For YouTube SEO and research, I use vidIQ. This is the tool that tells you what people are actually searching for on YouTube. It gives you keyword scores, tag suggestions, and competitor analysis right inside YouTube as a browser extension. It takes about 2 minutes to install and immediately helps you write better titles and descriptions. I'll put my link in the description. It has a solid free tier to start with. I also use Google Trends, which is completely free. Before I script a video, I check whether the topic is trending up or down. This takes 30 seconds and has saved me from making videos nobody would search for, so let's add it all up. My total monthly spend on AI tools is about $83. Claude at $20, ElevenLabs at $22, Descript at $16, Runway at $12, and Canva at $13. Everything else is free. For that, I'm producing content across 2 YouTube channels, managing social media, automating repetitive tasks, and building a consulting business. A year ago, this would have required a team of 5 people and thousands of dollars a month. Now, if you're just starting out and want to spend as little as possible, here's my minimum viable stack. Claude or ChatGPT, pick one for free or $20. ElevenLabs at $22, and Canva free tier, that's $22 to $42 a month to start producing faceless content. Which tool from this list are you most interested in trying? Drop it in the comments. And if you're getting value from this, please hit that like and subscribe button. It goes a long way to helping us grow as a new channel. I post new AI and automation content every week. Let me know what topic or tools you want me to cover next. But wait, there's one more. A bonus tool that's completely free and nobody in the AI content space ever mentions. YouTube Studio's built-in analytics. I know, that sounds obvious. But most creators glance at their view count and move on. The real power is in the audience retention graph. It shows you exactly where the viewers drop off in every single video. If you see a drop at the 30-second mark, your hook needs work. If you see a drop at the 5-minute mark, your middle section is dragging. This is free data that tells you exactly how to make your next video better. I check my retention graphs every single week. It's the single most valuable feedback loop you have as a creator, and it costs absolutely nothing. If you want to see these tools in action, watch my video on how to make money with AI. 5 realistic methods you can start this week. I'll link it right here. See you in the next one.